Namaste. Welcome to our Hindi speaking practice class. In this course, we will be teaching you how to speak Hindi from the very basics. So let's get started. Today, we have an exciting lesson in store for you as we learn colors in Hindi through engaging pictures. Let's begin. Look at this vibrant picture. Can you guess the color? That's right. The color is red. In Hindi, we call red as lal. Say it with me, lal. I will repeat this, red, lal, red, lal. Let's move on to the next picture. What color do you see here? Yes, it's yellow. In Hindi, yellow is pila. Let's say it together, yellow, pila, yellow, pila. Now, let's explore the next picture. Which color catches your eye? Well done. It's green. In Hindi, green is hara. Repeat after me, hara, green, hara. Look at this vibrant picture. What color stands out? Correct. It's orange. In Hindi, orange is narangi. Let's say it together, narangi, orange, narangi. Moving on to the next picture. Can you guess the color? Yes, it's pink. In Hindi, pink is gulabi. Say it with me, gulabi, pink, gulabi. Look at this intriguing picture. What color comes to mind? Absolutely. It's purple. In Hindi, purple is bangani. Repeat after me, bangani, purple, bangani. Moving on to the next picture. Can you guess the color? Well done. It's brown. In Hindi, brown is bhura. Say it with me, bhura, brown, bhura. Let's move on to the final picture. Can you identify the color? Absolutely. It's black. In Hindi, black is kala. Repeat after me, kala, black, kala. Fantastic. You've learned the colors in Hindi through these engaging pictures. Let's go through the colors which we learned. Red, lal, blue, neela, yellow, pila, green, hara, orange, narangi, pink gulabi, purple, bangani, brown, bhura, black, kala. Practice using these words whenever you see these colors, and soon you'll be speaking Hindi with confidence. Practice these phrases in your daily routine and try to use Hindi as much as possible. Also, visit our YouTube channel for more resources and practice exercises. Thank you for joining our class today, and please let us know if you would like to know any specific topics or statements which we will post in our next video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Dhanyavad.